Now, the last time I was talking about NIO, it ran for 130%, and you guys can see massive falling wedge. Price rebounded, and there's some great price action and great structure to this setup right now. And I need you guys to pay close attention. I need you guys to lock in. Subscribe to chartforecaster.com. I need you guys to pay attention to whenever I bring up chartforecaster.com, because guess what? It's predicting stuff out there 9 days in advance. All these arrows, we're out there on the chart 9 days in advance, and this software has been predicting all the moves. It was predicting, so if you were trading 9 days before this, so let's just say December 22nd, way back here, we would know that there's going to be a peak momentum area here. And if you start to see that price run up, and you know this is a peak momentum area, maybe it's time to get out of the position, right? Price dumped. We saw that it was a reversal point here that it calculated accurately. Said bullish or bearish momentum would start building, which it did. And you can make sure that this thing had predicted incredible volatility spike and breakout down to the hour. It then predicted a very nice peak momentum area here along with a reversal. And it's just been predicting bullish or bearish momentum starting 9 days out in advance. Volatility spikes, guys. And it predicted this peak momentum that we saw today at the open. And we're going to really look at this because there's some really interesting setups. And I found 3 harmonic patterns for you guys to really check out. This first one is a little baby harmonic pattern. And I think that it has the potential, maybe to strip the price down to about $4.59. I'm not worried about that one, so I'm going to delete it. Now, the bigger thing here is on some of these higher time frame charts, guys. I'm forward thinking into next quarter, second quarter, third quarter of the year, where I think that we could see NIO really start to fly. We've got earnings coming up on March 19th, 2026. So this is going to be for period ending the fourth quarter of 2025. So this is going to be interesting. Are we going to see this little rally happen? Are we going to see a reversal like we're predicting on chartforecaster.com, which is $9.99 a month, or you can get the yearly subscription, and that's like $7 or $8 a month to know this kind of alpha out in advance. I got the logs here. This is all the predictions it's making in advance. So with that said, I'm thinking that maybe we're going to see price start to move to the upside, and maybe we're going to see a very nice falling wedge, and maybe we're going to see this thing really kind of start to move up towards this $5-ish area. I'm looking for at least maybe a 15% gain from here at the minimum. Maybe a 20% off this smaller harmonic pattern. Now, of course, I think that we could be seeing an instance where we also are setting the narrative to maybe throw up some sort of inverse head and shoulders going into earnings as well. So it wouldn't surprise me that if this pattern sets up, we go into earnings, that this second harmonic pattern will take us up to the $6, $7-ish range. So just like this falling wedge, we're tracking a much smaller falling wedge with a lot less potential to the upside. So that's my thoughts on NIO, guys. And you know what? I'm getting ready here to maybe do some long, far out call options contracts, maybe towards like the second half of the year on NIO, just to see if we can catch that rip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on NIO. We'll see you on the next one.